Welcome to another episode of You Know What It Is. It's Drunk Mom Reviews, and welcome back to my formal living room, where I am actually sitting on my review tonight, people. This beauty right here is one of two gorgeous new swivel chairs that I got from Allmodern. Here's some BRoll of these two beauties. These beauties together in their final resting place. Right here in this room. Look how cute they are together. Together. What a couple. And yes, you heard right. I said swivel chair. I love me a good swivel chair, people. 360 people. 300 and... Wow, I'm dizzy. That was a good ride, people. So smooth. I'm taking a pause on the swivel because I feel a little dizzy and dazed and confused. If you know what I mean. Maybe going 360 after a couple of drinks. It's not recommended. No. So let me tell you why these chairs are so badass, people. First of all, if you purchase the pair of these right now, you get a $400 discount. Yes! A $400 discount. I think we could all use a $400 discount right about now. You know what I mean? So these chairs right now are a very reasonable $1,099. I have bought handbags for more than that, people, but don't tell my husband. Honey, if you're watching, I'm just kidding. Would never do that. Maybe I would. Anyway, let's talk about how gorgeous and chic the design is. I wish you could feel how good this feels to sit in it, baby. These chairs are 28.3 by 31.1 by 31.1 inches and can hold up to 300 pounds. I am also just obsessed with this color, this burnt orange, and the material is called performance velvet, but it comes in many other gorgeous colors and fabrics too, including a tweed and a linen. Okay, take a look at the base of these chairs. Not my skirt, the chairs. Okay, how cool is the wood design? I really think it makes this chair stand out, and it makes it feel super unique, man. And just look at how good they look in this room. Love! Plus, they come fully assembled, so you just plop these badass boys down wherever you want, and you are ready to rumble. Now, let's get into why I am really a fan of these chairs. They are Stain resistant, people. That's right, you heard right. Let's just say it might be a little bit accident prone. So if you are like me, and you might spill your drinks around, no big deal, okay? These dope chairs have water resistant durability. I think I said that, yeah, durability. So you just wipe it down and it's like nothing happened. Like, what spill? Wasn't me. Also, just a heads up, this cozy cushion right here is reversible. You just like flip it around if you need to. Yeah, reversible. Everything in life should be reversible, right? If you know what I mean. As I mentioned before, this chair, it comes in like so many dope colors, people. Plus, Allmodern, it sells so much more. They are into that, you know, like mid-century design that I love so much. I'm into everything from their outdoor furniture to their bedroom furniture. This lady might be doing a little nighttime shopping later, if you know what I mean. Again, honey, if you're watching, it's probably too late. I've bought the whole damn store. Did I mention that they have free one-day delivery? Yeah, like, so if I bought it tonight and there's a good ass chance that it shows up tomorrow. It did for me. I was like, what are those two big boxes in front of my door? And then I remembered what I ordered last night, people, because it showed up before I knew it. Plus, there is a 1-year warranty. So my ass feels really protected when I buy from Allmodern. These chairs are seriously a win-win, people. I am telling you, the comfort of this chair is everything. And dimensions. There it is. I knew I could get that word out. The dimensions of these chairs are perfect for every body size out there, people. You will love them, and so will your guests. Friends, come on over and get your seat today. You buy yours today at your house, and I'll buy mine. And get everything at Allmodern. Okay, the link is in the caption. And buy now to get that incredible discount, $400, people. You can't beat it. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Okay, like this video and tell me how dope my living room looks now in the comments. Bye for now.